Hello and welcome in class 5 mathematics. Let's start worksheet solution of chapter 9 profit and loss. Here is the question number 1. We are written as Mr. Lal buys pencil at rupees 250 per 100. So here I write a statement as Mr. Lal buys 100 pencils at rupees 250. So cost price of one pencil is equal to, how to find out it? Here rupees 250 divided by 100 pencil, number of pencil. You got cost of one pencil, that is 2.5. It means 2 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Now selling price of one pencil is given in your book 1.75. It means 1 rupees and 75 paise. Which is greater, 2 rupees 50 paise or 1 rupee 75 paise? Here 2 rupees 50 paise is greater than this selling price. So cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than to selling price. So here loss. Here loss remains. Okay. So loss is equal to rupees 2 rupees and 50 paise minus 1 rupees and 75 paise. Okay. Now subtract it. 10 minus 5, 5, 14 minus 7, 7 and 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 75 paise. 75 paise. Okay. Now second question. Ram bought a second hand cycle for rupees 500. So Ram purchased cycle for rupees 500 and spent on repairs rupees 80 and in repainting rupees 175. Okay. So here the total cost 500 plus 80 plus 175, and then after sold it to Lalit for rupees 900. So first find out the total cost. Cost on cycle. Cost on cycle 500 total cost. Okay. Total cost 500 plus 80 plus 175 is equal to 5, 7, 8, 15, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Rupees 755 total cost. And selling price 900. So selling price is now greater than to cost price. So here profit remains. And profit is equal to, by how much? Rupees 900 minus 755. You got 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 7, 1. Rupees 145 profit on cycle. Here a fruit vendor bought 600 apples for rupees 4,800. He spent 400 on transportation. How much should he sell each to get a profit of rupees 1,000? Here already profit given, so there it's clear. So selling price is greater than to cost price in this question. Okay. So a fruit seller that is bought 600 apples for rupees 4,800 and spent 400 on transportation. Okay. So just 600 apples, 4,800. Okay. Now here cost price of 600 apples is equal to rupees 4,800. Spent on transportation of 600 apples, rupees 400. Total cost price 4,800 plus 400, you got 5,200 rupees. Okay. Now because cost price 5,200 rupees, now here profit on 600 apples given in your book rupees 1,000. So how much selling price of 600 apples? Selling price of 600 apples determined by cost price plus profit. Cost price plus profit value. So cost price 5,200 and profit value 1,000. Add it, you got 6,200 rupees. Okay. Now because we are asking for how much should he sell each to get a profit, asking for one apple. Selling price, so selling price of one apple is equal to 6200 divided by 600. Okay, here 62 divided by 6, you got 6 1 just 6, and then after here 0, here 3 rupees, 10.33 rupees approximately. Okay, now come on question number 4 here in your book. Tim bought a box of chocolates for rupees 650 and sold it to Tom at a profit of rupees 75. Find the selling price. So here cost price given 650 and profit given 75. So add it and you have selling price. Ramu bought 2 dozen eggs for rupees 56. 2 dozen, it means 12 into 2. 24 eggs for rupees 56. Since 6 of them broke, so 24 minus 6 करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 18. ठीक है, तो 18 now save and 6 broke. He incurred a loss rupees 20 on selling them. Then after selling on 18 eggs, he got incurred loss of rupees 20. What was the selling price of one egg? So what was the selling price of one egg? So just write a statement. Cost price of 2 dozen eggs is equal to rupees 56. Cost price of 24 eggs, 12 into 2, 24 eggs is equal to rupees 56. And from 24 eggs, there is 6 eggs are broke. So 6 of them are broke. So 6 of them broke. Okay. So then after, cost price of 2 dozen eggs is equal to rupees 56. So cost price of 24 eggs is equal to rupees 56. And 6 of them are broke. Then after, now x for sell. Now x for sell is equal to 24 minus 6, 18. 18 eggs, now save. Okay, he incurred a loss. He incurred loss on selling price. On selling is equal to rupees 20. Okay, then after जब वो 18x को सेल करता है तो उसे 20 रुपीज़ का लॉस होता है. So what was the selling price of one egg? Okay, so here because only 18 eggs are sold and total eggs are 24. So selling price on loss is equal to cost price minus loss, na? So cost price rupees 56 minus loss of rupees 20. How much? Rupees 36 selling price. Okay, of 18x. Sell price of 18x. Okay, so sell price of one egg is equal to 36 divided by 18. You got rupees 2 selling price of each egg. Okay, now as it is question number 6 here. Rahul bought pens at rupees 120 a dozen. He sold it for rupees 15 each. What is his profit percent? So he bought rupees 120 a dozen pens. It means 12 pens on rupees 180 and he sold it for rupees 15 each. So selling price of pen, one pen is equal to rupees 15. Okay, so what is his profit percentage? So profit is equal to 15 minus 10. Selling price minus cost price. 15 minus 10, you got 5 rupees. Then profit percentage is equal to 5 into 100 divided by cost price, that is 10. 5 into 100 divided by 10, you got profit percentage as 5 into 100 divided by 10. You got 50% profit percentage. Okay, the cost of producing a calculator is rupees 350. Manufacturer wants to make a profit of 20%. At what price must he sell the calculator? So just see, cost of producing a calculator rupees 350, profit percent is 20%. So here cost of producing a calculator rupees 350, profit percent is equal to 20%, and find out the selling price. So first find out the profit value. Profit value is equal to 350 into 20 by 100, 70 rupees profit. Okay, so selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, cost price here 350 and profit 70, add it, and here 0, here 420 rupees selling price. Okay, now try question number 8, and here Anu bought buttons at 5 for rupees 2. It means 5 buttons cost price of rupees 2. How much did the shopkeeper sell if gain 20%? So shopkeeper selling price is equal to rupees 2 plus 20% of rupees 2. You do for the selling price just this, rupees 2 plus 20% of rupees 2, and you got the selling price. Okay, now here 6 bananas were bought for rupees 5 and sold at 5 for rupees 6. What is the gaining? In question number 10, cost price of 6 bananas is equal to rupees 5. So cost price of 1 banana is equal to rupees 5 by 6. Sell price of 5 banana is equal to rupees 6. So sell price of 1 banana is equal to rupees 6 by 5. So sell price is greater than to cost price. Then here profit remains na. So 6 by 5 minus 5 by 6, just LCM of 5 and 6, 30. Here 36. Here 25. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 11 by 30. That is profit value. Okay. Here it's profit. Here it's profit rupees 11 by 30. So do the all exercises in your notebook, and I send you also the PDF of chapter 9.